Trust Wallet versus MetaMask. Which is better? When it comes to managing your cryptocurrency, choosing the right wallet is crucial. Today, we're comparing Trust Wallet and MetaMask, two of the most popular options in the crypto space. Trust Wallet is designed with simplicity in mind, catering to beginners and casual users who want a straightforward, mobile-first solution. It supports over 4.5 million assets across multiple blockchains and includes built-in staking for passive income. Additionally, it features a decentralized browser for accessing dApps and NFTs, making it an all-in-one platform for those who want a seamless experience. On the other hand, MetaMask shines as a browser extension and mobile wallet for Ethereum-based tokens and dApps. Known for its flexibility and advanced features, MetaMask is a favorite among DeFi enthusiasts and developers. It offers detailed transaction settings, token swapping, and access to nearly every dApp on Ethereum and compatible networks. Security is a major concern for any crypto holder. Trust Wallet uses device-level security, such as biometrics, but it doesn't provide access to private keys, which could be a drawback for advanced users. Meanwhile, MetaMask allows full control of your private keys, giving you complete ownership, though this requires more responsibility for safeguarding them. If you prioritize accessibility and ease of use, Trust Wallet is a better choice. However, if you're looking for more control and functionality, MetaMask takes the lead. A key difference lies in usability. Trust Wallet is exclusively mobile, which is perfect for on-the-go users but limits desktop access. MetaMask, being primarily a browser extension, excels in desktop compatibility while offering a mobile app as well. For those who work heavily with DeFi platforms or NFTs on their PC, MetaMask is unmatched. Finally, both wallets are free, but transaction fees differ. Trust Wallet integrates directly with Binance Smart Chain, offering lower fees for transactions on that network, while MetaMask focuses on Ethereum, where fees can be higher depending on congestion. In conclusion, choose Trust Wallet if you value ease, mobile functionality, and built-in staking. Opt for MetaMask if you need advanced features, desktop compatibility, and deeper integration with Ethereum-based platforms. The decision ultimately depends on your level of experience and your specific needs. Whatever you choose, both are solid options for managing your crypto effectively.